Hello boaters, I'm Dylan with MarineMax Dallas. This is a 2022 Malibu LSV 23. This is the #1 selling towboat in the year 2022. Come with me, let's check it out. Welcome inside the 2022 Malibu 23 LSV. My 3 favorite features on this boat is this very versatile rear lounger here. You got a little table here, very cool. And if you come inside, or if you can see me from here, this has got a power captain's chair. Very neat, very cool. This boat's got a subwoofer with a Malibu cased underneath your helm. Pretty cool, sounds good. So as you're driving the boat, you can really enjoy the music with your passengers. This boat's only got 188 hours on it, so it's been slightly used. The upholstery's in great shape. There's a few dings and dents on the outside, but we can show you more of that following up this video. If you want to learn more about this 2022 Malibu 23 LSV, come see us, MarineMax Dallas.